What is up, guys? Welcome back to another midnight edition of Crypto Guru. I'm going to get a video out for you guys in the morning, and this is a emergency video. One, for two things. A, there is a scam for a brand new DeFi coin that I invested in, NUMBERSPROTOCOL.FINANCE. It's a freaking scam. I'm aggravated because the coin is on the back chart back there. Actually went 7,000% upon opening at 5 o'clock in the morning. But my coins never showed up because I bought from a scam link, because I didn't do my own research. So I'm here to save you guys. Then I will do a little bit of market TA. We are at an amazingly crucial level for all coins, but Bitcoin especially, because it's going to control the market. I'm going to show you what that level is. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. I've been actually kind of hanging back on my trades because we are in a definite downtrend. We might have just gotten a bounce. So anyway, subscribe to the channel. We're 531 and growing. I'm trying to stay consistent, weekly videos, blah, blah, blah. You know the drill. Let's get right to the content. Let's expose these fucking scammers. I feel a lot better about helping you guys because this is for the people. It's not about just making money for the people. It's about saving people money. And these fuckers are taking people's money. So let's put them on blast. Let's ruin them. I'm freaking aggravated. My shit would be sitting at like 40K right now. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Okay, guys. So basically the way this happened is my boy was really interested. He was getting me in on a DeFi coin. The pre-sale for the token was ending in like 1 hour. So it was like no research. I went on his link, everything. It looked fairly legit. There was a few red flags. Of course I ignored him for the money. And then when it came to getting the coins in my wallet, they never showed up. I stayed up till 5 a.m. watching the exchange. When it hit, I was crazy excited because I couldn't believe the percentages this thing released at. And then I found out in the morning it was a scam. So I'm going to save you guys the heartache and the shit that I'm feeling when I could be literally sitting on 50 to 200K for this move. This is what I missed out on. And so I'm going to show you guys what this site is. We need to shut it down. We need to get the word out to save people, save your money, don't invest in this freaking scam. And I am on a personal mission to ruin and get these sites taken down. I don't even know why they're still up. But if we go on paul.io, now this is the legit site. I looked up, if you look at the light paper is really cool. The project really does have some promise. It's all about copyrights for projects, so people can stop stealing people's work. Like it will copyright your photos and NFTs and everything, and they have a library to put this in. I read the whole white paper, and this thing is really promising, and it has some huge backers. Like the owner of YouTube is behind this, and a couple other ones. They have the token sale, everything. Like I said, I was super right here. Stephen Chang, co-founder of YouTube. Kevin Lin, co-founder of Twitch. I mean, this is a big project. This is a super big project. Everything is on schedule for them. So I was super excited that I bought 25,000 coins for $1,000. But guess what? It was a fucking scam. So now it's time to expose the scammers so you guys do not fall victim to them. And it's very, very easy. Now, the second site right here, this NUMBERSPROTOCOL.FINANCE, is the first scam. If you guys take a look at this, it says 4 cents, which was the pre-sale release price, but it does this 57.16 for the timer. What's really interesting is if you refresh the page, the thing starts all over again. The timer that was the first red flag that I ignored. Secondly, if you notice this number, it says 27,325, 250, and that we're almost at this 29,875 number. If you refresh the page, that number does not change. It's static. It's completely unchanged. I should have known that. Now, when you click on Buy Numbers token, they send you this address right here. This address is the scam address. This is the address that you're sending your ETH away, and you will never see it again. You'll never see it again. But when you click register your purchase, this is what I like to do and send them a message. I write fuck you scammer and confirm payment. Now they'll get that message in their system and they'll be like, damn it, there's another one that we're not gonna get. But here's the first one. This is the first scam. Public sale. See it? It looks so legit, you know. Numbers protocol. They got everything. They got the referral code for 5%. Yeah, invite your friends so we can take you their fucking money too. That's basically what is going on with that one. Now we're gonna go to the next one, which is right underneath CoinMarketCap. This is right on the front page. Right on the front page. So then we have the Numbers Protocol token sale. You can see the same style of web design, but this time the price is 20 cents. Oh, isn't that great? 20 cents for one number. But if you guys will look on the exchange price is 73 cents. So that would automatically give you a red flag right there. And once again, we have the timer identical. We have the almost there to the cap. People are falling victim to this. This is no bullshit. They made $20 million yesterday. And once again, boom, now we have a little different address. So you can send your money to this address. They're really trying. But once again, you know what we do. We put this in and we go, fuck you, scammer. It's actually semi-invigorating, even though I'm not doing anything, because I think they get it. I think they'll get it. And this is just ridiculous. They're taking a ton of people's money. It's completely. I mean, so let me show you. I'm going to show you guys what happened on KuCoin. It released at 5 a.m. on KuCoin, and if you guys look at the jump. We went from 4 cents for the real coin. We went from 4 cents to $10.25. Now I bought $1,000 worth. I would have had 25,000 numbers. That is $250K, $250,000. And then if we also look, we go over here and we look at these 5-minute candles. And we got green candles all the way up to almost $2 before we started rejecting. So there was a point of about 20 minutes where you could have sold the coins for close to $2, and $2 at 25,000 coins, that would have been close to $50,000. $50,000 for this investment that I took a fucking total loss on, which I'm obviously not happy, but I'm hopefully able to spread the awareness, because this is ongoing scam. This is ongoing, up and running. They're taking people, and if we get the word out, then this will help. This will help ruin it. Hopefully, DuckDuckGo will take these sites off, because they're literally taking people for hundreds of thousands of dollars every day, or if not millions. The account had 20 million in it on the scan yesterday, and now it has 0. So they transferred the funds out. So anyway, this is numbers. It's running at 72.5 cents. This is actually a really good token. I'm still thinking of maybe buying in when it gets down to its floor, which is the floor is about 60 cents. If I can get this freaking thing to work. 66 cents is the floor. So if we get down to 66 cents, that's actually a pretty decent buy-in. I think it's still going to go 5x. So that's enough on this computer. Now we're going to transfer to the other computer, and I'm going to show you what is going on in the markets and let you know if you should be worried or not. There we go. Okay, so now we're back, guys. We are back, and let's show you what's going on. So let's go to number one. We have to go to this chart here. We want to go to the crucial levels on Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, here's our weekly, and if you guys look, so these our weekly is obviously our crucial levels here, and we are very, we're getting a bit of a bounce right here. So this is our support line that we have not broken since May 10th, and if we break this and do not hold, this is not good for Bitcoin. But what it appears is we do seem to be getting a bounce. We do seem to be getting a bounce. If we go into the 1 hour candles, it does look like we got some support here. We got a volume, not a major volume candle, but we do have some what looks like we could be getting a bounce on this. But you guys can see how very important this is. Let me go to this chart here for the XRP chart. We're going to put it in to the Bitcoin, and we're going to see just how close we are. This is how close we are, guys. This is the chart that I was actually looking for. So this support line is what we need to hold right here, and we could be getting some support right here. It does look like we're getting a bounce. If we get a bounce, this power could actually take us back up here if we get a volume supported bounce. But this is like the last hope for Bitcoin on the short term, because if we don't hold this, if we fall below this crucial support level, this 56,000 level, we could go down. We could go down to 48 or less, depending on how strong and how fast that we fall. So Bitcoin is barely holding on to the support level. I would not jump into a trade just yet if you're going for longs, because this is a technical downtrend. If we turn it into a line, we can see our lower lows, our lower highs, lower high, and then if we get a close up here and then we start reversing, okay, now we're going to be back into an uptrend, and I would say go back into the trade. Now, for our XRP, we're going to go to our XRP chart, and XRP is actually very close to, I would say, a pretty good buy right now, because we are getting a strong, we're getting a much stronger bounce. We literally went up 4 cents with just a little uptick with Bitcoin. And you guys can see that we definitely have a volume supported bounce down here. And if you look, yeah, if we take this chart and we zoom out a little bit, this is our XRP breakout chart. Remember, we got to go to the 4 hour, makes it look a lot better. So now you can see what's going on with XRP here. Man, this thing still does not want to cooperate. So let's do that one. There we go. Now you can see. So this is our daily chart, and you can see that we are still, so we're right at the bottom of this wedge here, and I would say that this would not be a bad point of entry, because the lowest that it looks like it wants to go is 99 cents. And the uptick, if we hold on, is there's a lot more up than there is down, because we are virtually at this support line, which is pretty much the bottom, and we've held it for quite a bit of time. Since August 10th, we've held this support line. So XRP, I would have bought it like 104, but I was doing this video for you guys. So remember, in trading, there is always going to be more opportunities. So I'm not going to get aggravated because there's thousands of opportunities every day. I always have to tell myself, because I always want to jump into the trade now, and that is not always the best. That is not always the best strategy. Let's look at ETH. Let's take a look at ETH, and here is what ETH is doing. So we've gone beneath our support line that we've held for a while, since October 16th. But we need to get above that to come back up. So we are right at that crucial support line right now. And we need to make a close on top of this to keep on controlling back up. If we don't, we're gonna come down to this 3,800 level. We're gonna bounce in between there. We're losing our support. So we really do need to make this level if we want to continue in our uptrend for this wedge. If we break down from the wedge, this could take us to, let's see here, the breakdown could take us to 1,600 if we come down and we break our support level at like 3,500. It'll take us to 36. So this is not something for people that are into longs that want to see. So this is what's going on with XRP. I'm not going to dig massively into the charts because I'm not trying to make this a crazy ass long video. All the prediction charts that I did last week are on hold because we are in a downtrend, and so they are all out the door temporarily until we start recovering and we actually do get this bounce. We'll go to our indicators, the last chart here on our indicators, and just in the 1 hour, so we did get a bit of a bounce. If we turn this into a line chart, we can see that we did get a W. We did get a W pattern, and the breakout would have been right here, and our short-term little pop for this 1 hour would have been this little measured deal right here, and you can see that we're right there. We are right there for the measured pop. But this is the problem. When you get these EMA ribbons, they act as major resistance, and unless we have a power move to get through them, they will push us back down. So we could get a rollover and just continue down here in this downtrend. It's a very, very volatile position where we're at, and it could change any minute. We could make it through. We are seeming to be, we're halfway through the EMAs, which isn't too bad on the 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes not doing too bad. We almost powered through it, but we like I said, if we roll over, we can roll back over. This is a good sign. This candle right here is an engulfing candle. It's bigger than all the rest. And we did have a little bit of an indecision candle where the market could not decide where it wanted to go. And then we had a power move and we shot to the uptick. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's not too bad. If we look at our hourly, we are fighting the EMA ribbon. Price is pushing the pressure down here. The people are selling. A lot of people are selling. So it's definitely, we're fighting this EMA ribbon. And if we go into our indicators, well, the good thing is we definitely have an uptrend with our stochastic RSI. For our regular RSI, we have an uptrend. It's still kind of maintaining a little bit. We definitely did get out of the buy zone because we wanted to get it down here a little bit lower. I don't know, man. I mean, we could be just getting this bounce right now. The 4 hour looks good. we're definitely the energy is going back up, which is very good. And we have the RSI, people oversold. This would have been the prime time to buy the 22 level when everybody thinks it's going to crash to the ground. But this is the problem that concerns me, is there is so many of these. So we, even on the 4 hour, we have what looked like an uptrend, and then we rolled over and came down. And so this is almost too early to tell that we have a actual trend reversal, because this could just roll over and come down to 54, and then everybody that put in their long positions gets stomped out and everybody loses money, and then they're mad at me. So I'm just trying to give you guys the heads up on what I'm looking at. I'm still kind of hesitant to get into the market, because I actually think that the XRP is a pretty strong move though. XRP is very, very strong. It's much stronger than Bitcoin in its moves. It jumps up a ton when Bitcoin just goes up a tick. I mean, 4 cents is a big move, and we're definitely getting that power move. Let's see here, and it's not even showing me. Oh, okay, I don't even have that one on there, but we're gonna come over to this 107 side definitely. But that is enough of the TA, and that is your warning for the scam. So do not fall for the scam. Hoping this video was not too long. I'm gonna hurry up, make some little quick editing, and try to get it out by the morning. Save as many people as I can. And let's take down the scam site. Just remember, trade responsibly. Make sure you guys put stop losses, because you can lose a lot. You can blink an eye, go to the bathroom, and all of a sudden you're down way more than you wanted to be, because the market is so volatile. It reverses percentages super quick. So that's enough. I'm not going to make any more videos until next week. I'm going to pay attention to the market, pay attention to my trades. You guys have an excellent day, and I will see you on the next video next Friday.